Welcome back everybody and happy Wednesday. The people have spoken and today we are going to do the Porsche 963, one of the last Speed Champions kits that came out in March of 2023. Speaking of voting, if you would like to have a say in the upcoming big Lego builds, head on over to our Patreon page. There we will have polls for which of the big kits come up next. We have one poll there already, and we also have Lego kit prizes for the first 3 patrons to sign up. There is some terms and conditions for that, so make sure you read them in the description below. I made sure not to set the patron levels too high because I wanted to make sure that everybody could be included. I didn't want to have a paywall for interacting with this channel. So obviously we're still going to interact here, but there will be more interaction and more voting and more behind the scenes stuff and behind the scenes discussion. So head on over there, click the link down below. Remember, the first 3 patrons that sign up and meet the criteria will each win a different Lego kit. For now, back to this kit we're doing today. This is the Porsche 963, as I mentioned. This is kit number 76916. This came out in March of 2023. It was one of 5 Speed Champions cars, but 4 Speed Champions kits. The McLaren one was a double car kit. This is for ages 9+. This has 280 pieces. It is definitely available retail. And if you are a VIP member and you get it from lego.com, it will get you 162 VIP points. Please use our link down below to help us out. So, let's dig into it. All right, we have 2 bags. We have a mini, looks like an older Speed Champions chassis. We have our instruction manual and a bunch of stickers. Looks like 34 stickers, but that's to be expected because there's a lot of livery on a race car. So, let's get going. that is the Speed Champions Porsche 963. This is, I mean, it has kind of the same lines as the McLaren Solus, but it is way less delicate. It's pretty sturdy. Everything snaps together. It's really rigid, and it's a lot better than the other recent Speed Champions as far as how stable it feels. It was really creative snapping these together. I liked how they modularized the three pieces and clicked them in, like made sub-assemblies and clicked them in. That was really a good idea. I love how these taillights got built up. That was genius. The whole back end here, the wing, the taillights, the diffuser with the taillights, this was all incredible. It very, very creative. I like the little exhaust ports here. The overall look of the car is really cool. I like it. I like the lines of it. It looks pretty close to the real thing. There's only one attach point for this canopy, so it's not very, well, it didn't feel very sturdy, but I guess that's about the only delicate thing about it. It doesn't take much to take that canopy off. But as far as big chunks and sub-assemblies, it's really sturdy. I'm thinking that you guys voted on this one because you knew that there was a sticker on every single piece of this model, except for the canopy. The canopy is the only piece that is silk screened. Even these triangular pieces on the back of the body here, there's 3 stickers on this one piece. And I'm thinking you guys voted on this just to see my reaction to this. I mean, we were gonna build it eventually, but this was a lot of stickers, and luckily all the lines lined up. I mean, it looks good. They look good. There's a lot of stickers. I feel they could have done some silk screen other than just the canopy, but I mean, it looks good. Final product looks good. Final product is very sturdy, very stable, very unlike the rest of the recent Speed Champions where they're just kind of delicate. But yeah, I like this one. This is cool. There's a lot of good little design tricks to make it look good, like the double rounded pieces here and the little mini diffuser in the front to make a grill. This whole back end, like I mentioned before, was amazing. How that clicked together and how it built up. Yeah, overall, this is a good kit. I like this one. Good choice, everybody. Good choice. So don't forget, head on over to our Patreon page. The link is down below, and sign up to be a patron. It will not only help us out, but you will get to be even more involved with the channel other than commenting. So until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.